Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a product review of the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 series. It's basically a phone gimbal that allows for more stabilization and a lot of cool features in this particular gimbal. I usually do reaction videos. I'm super excited to unbox this because I want to move towards doing some vlogging, and this is a product that I've really been looking forward to. So let's just dive right into the unboxing. Yeah, so basically this is the Osmo Mobile 7 and I'm particularly excited for this one because yeah, the box is the box is so beautiful. Okay, and side note, I'm actually recording this product review on the DJI Mic Mini 2, which is clipped onto my person right now. But yeah, those are the features. Let's just rip open the box real quick. Oh, that's so nice and smooth. Yeah, let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. So, oh, basically that's the bag with the... I'm assuming this is the bag containing the gimbal itself, which we will open in a bit. So the inside of this smaller box contains phone grip. And this is the grip that would magnetically connect to the rest of the gimbal. And that is the Type-C to Type-C charging cable for the gimbal itself. Okay, next we have the gimbal itself. I'm so excited to open this one. And inside is the... oh, that is beautiful. Just take a look at that. So you have to unfold this to open up the gimbal, and there is the product. It turns on automatically as the gimbal opens, and yeah. Moving on to the gimbal itself, I'm currently using a different phone. Usually I use my iPhone 17 Pro, but this is how the phone mounts onto the gimbal. As you can see, the panel over here, which I'll be featuring right now, contains this joystick which allows you to like adjust the camera, which is really nice for slow panning and stable movement of the camera. That's the record and the flip camera button, just to switch between the front and back camera, vice versa. Behind you will see a trigger, which I discovered would actually help you focus on a particular object or like lock in the movement. So as you can see, it's parallel to the wall right now, as opposed to normally if I just release the trigger, it would just move. That is really cool. But wait a minute, that is actually a game-changing feature that I bought this product for. And instead of putting it here, I can't really review the feature while doing it at my desk, so I'm just gonna show you in a demo, alright? Oh my, this is... what did I just buy? Yeah, so just by downloading the DJI MIMO app and connecting the gimbal to my phone via Bluetooth, I can enable the tracking module, and it apparently tracks my movement as I walk. How cool is that? So yeah, lots of very cool features, and I'm really happy with my purchase, particularly because of the detachable piece that's not available in most other gimbals, that allows for more convenience and flexibility during my shooting. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!